another recipe today. So guys, I'm sharing very new recipe today. I'm making today stuffing pepper with the lamb mince. So guys, I'm telling you simple way, very easy, and I'm telling you step by step. As for this recipe, I have got 4 to 5 peppers, 500 gram lamb mince, 2 to 3 spoon of vegetable oil, fenugreek leaves 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of salt, 1 spoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of Garm Masala, 1.5 spoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, handful of spring onion, handful of coriander leaves, and I have got 2 to 3 tomatoes. This is the tin I'm using. You can use the fresh one. 1 large white chopped onion, 2 to 3 chopped green chilli, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 4 to 5 garlic cloves chopped. Preparation we need, I'm going to take off the pepper seeds, so we have to cut gently like this in the middle. Then we're going to take off these seeds, so very careful, we don't need a cut in the bottom. So just cut it like that, and you can use the spoon to take out all seeds. So make sure you clear everything inside like this. So before I start this one, I wash the pepper and dry all the water. So make sure you wash before you cook. Same I'm doing other peppers as well. So you can see I clean like this. So I'm doing the rest of as well. So guys, is gas already on. So is my pan is already hot. So I'm going to add the oil. Let it warm. So oil is hot. So I'm going to add first cumin seed. Let it little bit brown. We don't need to make very brown. Then second I'm going to add mince. Then we have to cook in a small to medium gas. Keep frying. Then I'm going to add everything, onion, ginger, garlic and green chilli. Then mix all together. So guys, keep mixing all together, and remember we have to cook small to medium gas. Then after 2-3 minutes we have to fry at least 2 to 3 minutes till they change the meat color. Then I'm going to put lid on and let it cook 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, it's 2 to 3 minutes. So you can see is the meat color change. So next I'm going to add all powdered spices. First I'm going to add salt. You can put according your taste. Coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, kasturi methi, fenugreek leaves, then spring onion. Then mix all together. Mix very well. So guys, is everything I put all together. Then I'm going to cook in slow gas at least 20-25 minutes till the cook the meat. Then lid on. Then keep stirring in the middle. Keep checking, and we need to cook in the slow gas. So guys, it's 5 minutes already. I cooked, and you can see it's And next I'm going to add tomato. Then mix all together again. Then lid on and let it cook. So guys, it's 5 to 6 minutes already I cooked. You can see it's a natural water come out. It looks beautiful. So keep cooking like that. Slow gas. If you want to break all tomatoes, onions, you can mash like that. Otherwise, keep cooking. So guys, the water is dry, so it's almost cooked. So I'm going to fry another 2-3 minutes again. Put lid again, back, then let it cook. So guys, cooked already. Next I'm going to add Garm Masala, fresh coriander leaves, then mix. Then I'm going to let it cook another 2 to 3 minutes. So guys, it's cooked already. So you can see I put everything all together, all spices, all fresh ginger, garlic, everything, tomatoes. Then I cooked very slow, at least 25 minutes. So you can see it's all cooked very nicely. So I'm going to gas off, then let it settle down the steam, let it cool down a little bit. Then I'm going to stuff the pepper. So I'm going to transfer in the bowl, so let it cool down. So guys, you can see it's cooled down. So I'm going to stuff in the pepper like that. So guys, it's already enough oil there to moisturize the pepper. So keep stuffing like this. Stuff just like to the on top, like equally like this. Then I'm going to stuff other peppers as well. So guys, I just stuff like that. So I'm going to put in the oven plate. Pepper. Then I'm going to put in the oven. So guys, this is the done. This is the stuffed pepper with the lamb mince. So this is done. So guys, this is cooked. So you must try this recipe. This is very easy, very nice, very delicious recipe. So guys, you can eat with roti, chapati, puri. So guys, thanks for watching my video and thank you very much once again. Bye bye.